Hey everybody, my name is Jake Brown from General RV and welcome to our virtual showroom. Let's take a look at some of the features of this gorgeous RV.
Thanks, Jake. Hey everyone, I'm Matt.
I'm Andrea.
And we're here at the Virtual RV Show, and today I am super excited. We're taking a look at the 2021 Prime Time Avenger Model 22BH, which is, my opinion, one of the best entry-level travel trailers on the market today. Andrea, are you excited?
Yes, I'm super excited. Let's take a look at the inside.
Perfect.
All right. It's been a while since I've been in a travel trailer. Looks nice, great. I love the north and south bed.
Yes, what's so great about this travel trailer is that there is no slide outs. You have a nice, easy to access, easy to walk through bed. You can access it on both sides. Do have storage underneath. And Andrea.
Wow.
Plenty of storage above the bed.
Fantastic.
This is a travel trailer that's gonna sleep 5 people comfortably, possibly even 6, depending on how small the children are. And look at this, Andrea's on one side of the bed, I'm on the other, and you still have storage on both sides to put your cell phones, CPAP machines, or anything.
I like that there's a window here, Matt.
Yep, that shade does roll up if you wanna show that.
Oh, it's tied.
Nope, it just slips up.
Oh, there we go. Sorry, guys.
Perfect, that window also is an emergency exit.
Yep. Walking over here, we have the kitchen. Oh, look, I like that there's counter space in here.
Yep.
You don't get that a lot of times with a smaller travel trailer. Nice cabinetry, great storage. As you can, there's storage under there.
Very nice. And also, Andrea commented, most of the time in a small travel trailer like this, you're not getting countertop space. You'll only have the sink, and this is giving you a nice 2-burner cooktop.
You know what? They got a microwave here, 2-burner cooktop. Look at this. I like that there's a bigger fridge, and this is the 2-way, propane and shore power.
2-way fridge, propane and electric, and again, most of the time they're giving you only a dorm style fridge in this unit, not this big one.
Look at this dinette.
Very nice.
Very nice.
This dinette does drop down to convert to extra sleeping area. And then look at this, you can easily and comfortably sit 4 people around here.
Yes.
If you did have a 5th, you can add the chair right there.
Oh, look, you got a Furrion sound bar. That's nice, I like that there's storage up here. Okay,
What
Matt.
about this pantry right there?
Very nice. Oh, you can have a TV mounted here. As you can see, you have the electrical outlet, you got your coax, thermostat. And check this out, Matt. Look, there's the sink outside the bathroom. I do like that because if somebody's occupying the bathroom, at least you can, you know, do your business right here. Brush your teeth, wash your hands. That's nice.
Speaking of the bathroom, let's check out the inside.
All right. Okay.
Now check this out. As you can see, this is a small travel trailer, lightweight, very entry level, but an amazing price point. But even though it's so narrow, you still have a nice, huge bathroom where somebody like me can still get in here, take a shower, and be comfortable. Also, we do have a toilet here. It's now time for the toilet test. Right, and look at this. I mean, I have plenty of space. I'm not jammed up in the corner. This is great, comfortable, and it's getting the job done right.
Oh my goodness, look at these bunks. These are big bunks. I'm gonna have to get in here just to show everybody.
Crawl on in there.
You got a USB in here, guys, for the kids. And you know what? Not just kids can be in here, adults can be in here.
Right, that's what's so great.
So those of you that travel with friends, if I can fit in here and I'm an adult, you know, we all can.
Perfect. Coming on outside, I want to show everybody some of the outside features. What's so great first and foremost is, just for people who don't know, a lot of the labeling about the weights is right here. The dry weight on this travel trailer is 3,850 pounds. That's great for any mid-sized truck, even some of your smaller ones like the GMC,
the Colorado,
the Chevy Colorado, the new Ford Ranger, and everything. Just taking a look at this travel trailer, you have a nice power awning with LED lights. You have these aluminum corrugated sides with wood framing. Model is 22BH, and the actual tip-to-tip length of this travel trailer is 23 feet long. We do have solar over here, And then we have
storage.
Nice pass-through storage that you're also able to get to that storage from underneath the bed. To stabilize this travel trailer, you do have manual stabilizing jacks on all 4 ends. And a real nice feature is this propane tank right here. You only need 1 propane tank for a small travel trailer like this. It is a 20-pound tank. You can upgrade it to 30 pounds. You have your manual tongue jack here, but you can also upgrade it to a power tongue jack. And then look at what they're doing up front here. They have the nice, smooth front up here, and it just makes it more aerodynamic, more clean, and more presentable of a unit. Coming down the side here.
Oh, Matt, it does have outdoor speakers. That's great.
Oh, very nice. There's a place for power right there.
Yes, we got an electrical outlet.
Little bit more storage here underneath the bed.
That's great.
As you can see, there is 2 axles, okay? So 2 axles is gonna give you a lot better tow than a single axle travel trailer. Right here, we do have a place to leash the dogs down when you're at your campsite, or any of your furry friends. Some people leash their cats down. Around the back, we do have a nice bumper for your Stinky Slinky. Outdoor shower.
I like that.
That's great. So if you like to go to the beach and you get dirty, you can wash yourself off before entering the inside. And then you do have a spare tire right here.
That's awesome, they did that. Prep for a backup camera?
Yep, it is prepped for a Furrion backup camera, and that is something that here at General RV, we can provide for you.
Awesome.
And then,
oh, look, there's the cable satellite.
Yep, again, coming around the side, look at this. Very nice, easy to access dump station, black tank, gray tank. You have your cable hookup right here, 30 amp power, everything's here in one spot. And that's one of the benefits with not having that slide out room. Everything's easy to hook up, easy to access, fresh water connection, and your water heater right here.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you go to generalrv.com/virtual showroom to check out thousands of our RVs, motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. We'll see you on the lot.